literally just got home from the airport and I have a package from my friend Haley and I'm so excited to open it. I've been literally waiting since she told me she sent it out. Isn't this sweet? It's like a whole care package. We have a yarn. She knows I just learned how to crochet, so she told me she has some yarn that she thinks I would like, and this, I would love this color. Oh my god, she sent me like enough to make a large blanket. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. I have to make a blanket or like a sweater or something with this. It's so pretty. For fall, I don't know what this is. This feels ceramic, like fragile. No, she did not. No, she did not. Loofah! In this, oh, such a beautiful jar. I can't stand her for sending me something like this. I love it. Okay, this is the last thing, and it also feels like a jar. It better not be. She's very sweet. I just get very uncomfortable when people do like really, really nice things for me. I don't know why. Oh, it's garlic! And sunflower seeds? And pepper seeds. The jars. I feel so like, she did not have to send me these like beautiful large jars. And they're like kind of pink. So let's see. Yep, peppers. Loofah. Titan sunflower. And then some garlic. This is so stinking sweet. So this is everything she sent me.